motivation, inspiration, I ams. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. My name is V. If you're new here, thank you for coming. And for my all-time subscribers, thank you very much for staying on this journey with me. I am having fun. Today's video is the group Beauty Over 40 collab, and we are supposed to do a wedding theme look. Well, I went way back to the land of Africa to pick a theme. I am going to use this palette as my inspiration to create a wedding theme look. You want to see how the whole thing turned out? Keep watching because there will be some tribal makeup today. This Juvia's Place Zulu palette is my inspiration for creating a look with the group Beauty Over 40 February collab. This is what the palette looks like. I'm going to try to use at least 4 or 5 colors in here. All the ladies that are taking part into this collab, their information is in my description box. You can check my description box, click on their link, and it will take you to their channel. Please watch the video to the full length because it helps them on YouTube. I appreciate you always showing up for me and supporting the ladies that I do the collabs with. They are very, very dear to my heart, just like you are. This is going to be a Zulu wedding theme eye makeup look. Keep watching, it gets good. I'm going into the first shade right here. Oopie-doop. First shade right here. It's like a turquoise green. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to just put it right here. I have no clue where I'm going with this, but as usual, I always figure out what's next. There will be some Zulu dance in there. Keep watching. I made a Zulu dance video so you can watch. So it will be somewhere in this video, a couple pieces. I'll maybe cut it between 2 and 3 pieces of Zulu dance and I'll put it in the video. So watch all the video all the way to the end so you don't miss my fun Zulu dance look. I'm just placing this color. I really don't know what I'm doing. According to a Zulu video I watched, it says the colors of the community flag is yellow, red, blue, and black. So I'm trying to incorporate all of these colors into everything I'll be wearing. I have a costume that I make, so you have to keep watching because there is a costume in there. This brown, orange, burnt orange brown, I'm going to take that and put that in the crease. This green, lime green shimmer, I'm going to use that in the inner corner. Today's I am is I am grateful for what I have. That came from the comments. I am grateful for what I have. I hope that you are grateful for what you have. I am grateful for what I have. From my notes that I write so we can talk about is instant gratification have its downside. Instant gratification have its downside. I'm going into this purple right here and I'm going to put it in the outer corner. This brush is so big. It might just mess up everything I'm doing, but I'll figure that out in the end. Instant gratification downside is we are never satisfied. We don't have patience for anything that is longer than a certain amount of time. If we don't get it now, we get depressed and discouraged. And that is the downside of instant gratification. We don't think we matter because we didn't get it or get what we were looking for right away. It didn't happen in the time frame. And we think, oh, it's not going to happen to us ever. It's not right. Something is wrong. Instant gratification have its downsides. Downside. Instant gratification have its downside. My accent keep coming in the way. Always remember you're first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not dim your light for another. Do not harm yourself. If things are not going right, please seek help. Ask for help. Help is available. Do not take anything for granted. Do not harm yourself. Seek help. Always, always, always choose self first. But do not give up on yourself. Do not ever give up on yourself. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab with the group Beauty Over 40, their channel link is in my description box. Please go see what wedding look that they created. I know we always do something different. Keep watching. This gets good. Trust me. Trust me, it gets good. We're going to do a wing. I'm going to do one side and I'll do the other side off camera. Coming closer. I start right down here because I have hooded eyes, so I have to start underneath the blush line. I want you to see some turning. I'm going this way. There you see? Can you see? I know you can. Now I'm going to take this one the end, and I'm going to go this way. I'm going a little wider today. So now I have to stretch my eyes to pass the puffy hooded section. So you see, I'm not using the piece of paper today. I just want you to see a different way you can do it. And then I just fill it in. And then I draw the other line to go over like this. You see? That's my wing. Okay, now I have the wings on. We're gonna do a little bit of tribal markings, because remember, my inspiration is coming out from this palette right here, right? So I'm going to do some of the markings on the faces of this palette. Maybe you'll see better here. I'm going to do some of the tribal. I'm going to do some of the tribal markings that is on this palette. So take a look. I'll do some with you. I'm going to finish the rest because it's going to take a while, and I will see you shortly. Keep watching. There'll be a dance in between this and then the reveal. This is my Zulu wedding makeup tribal look. I got this, and this is the top. It's a dress I have, and it's old, but it suits the area. This is the eyes. I told you it would come together. What's playing in my mind just develop as I go. So this is the look. All the tribal pieces, I try to do it like this palette right here. I'll bring it close up so you can see. Hopefully you can see every detail that I did under the chin, the lips, all the tribal signs I did. The eye colors are from in here. I used to create this look. And everything is the tribal. I try to do it exactly like this. I made this hat. First, I made it all blue. If you look, you'll see blue. It's all blue. And then I took my scarf and fixed it around it so it can have more support. But this is something I made all by myself. I love to be creative. I love to be creative. Let us see what today's card says. Today's card says, each person is part of the harmonious whole. Each person is part of the harmonious whole. That's today's card. Hopefully it creates something good for you. This is my look. This is my look. My tribal Zulu wedding collab look. This is what I pick. It's just create a wedding look. I wanted to do Zulu. I feel Zulu. Keep watching because in the end I'm going to put a Zulu dance in this costume. Me doing a Zulu dance in this costume. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you all very much. I hope you did watch everything through this whole video. The ladies, please go check them out. They're very, 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 very important. They do create magnificent looks. So go check them out. But this is my Zulu. Zulu. Do-doom, 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 do-doom. This is my Zulu wedding tribal look. But this is my creative side. And I love having fun with you. Always remember that you're special on this channel. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you. Keep watching over here. I'm going to put a playlist here, and keep watching because the dance is coming. The dance is coming. Do-do, 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 do. Ooh.